Is Evelyn and Parker a total scam, or are people just overreacting? Let's break down what's going on in 2026 with this trendy-looking online boutique, and why so many shoppers are sounding the alarm. First, the ads. If you're scrolling through Facebook or Instagram, you've probably seen those dreamy linen shirt dresses, right? But here's the catch, tons of customers are getting cheap polyester knockoffs instead. That's strike one. Then, there's shipping. I've seen so many stories about orders taking over a month to arrive, if they show up at all. Why? Because despite the cutesy boutique vibe, most items are shipped straight from China. That's classic drop shipping. Nothing new there. Now let's talk returns. Technically, Evelyn and Parker claims you can return stuff, but here's the twist. You pay for international shipping. And honestly, that cost can be higher than what you paid for the dress. So in reality, getting your money back is nearly impossible. Want to talk trust? On Trustpilot, related shops like Evelyn Boutique and Evelyn London are dragging around a miserable 1.3 out of 5 stars. Reviewers are not holding back. Words like scam, misleading, and nothing like the photo pop up all over the place. So what are the big red flags? Watch for retirement sales in random cities, stock photos that don't match what you get, and generic emails with no real business address. That's textbook scammer behavior. If you've already bought something and feel duped, don't wait. Reach out to your bank or credit card provider and ask about a chargeback. Laws like the Electronic Fund Transfer Act can help protect your money, but you need to act fast. Bottom line, shop smart, trust your gut, and always read the fine print before clicking buy.